Introducing our 5-piece beard growth kit, the ultimate gift for one looking to grow a healthy beard by Grow Genius. Start with our beard wash, which is designed to clear your face and beard of debris and smell great. Pat your skin dry and apply the derma roller. Roll a few times to ensure the oils are fully absorbed. Follow up with our beard oil, a magical blend that nourishes the roots and softens your beard, making it to grow to its full extent. Then style and tame your beard with our beard balm, ensuring your beard looks sharp and stays in place all day while smelling great. Use the comb to style your beard your way, complete with this high quality comb to keep those tangles at bay, and the revolutionary beard roller, enhancing your beard's natural growth by encouraging healthier hair follicles. Our kit also comes in a neat packaging that can be used for storage or travel. Transform your beard care routine into an experience of luxury and effectiveness. Embrace the path to a fuller, more vibrant beard today. Once your beard is grown, get our beard shampoo and conditioner kit to maintain that Viking beard of yours. Your beard journey starts now.